Hey guys, welcome back to the canal. Today we're gonna be cooking las dos. Do you want to explain like the little story?
Se nos antojó el tomato soup.
Yeah.
Since I got here, it's been like a month and we still haven't made it.
Oh yeah, we bought all the stuff and everything, and like even the tomates are like pudriéndose.
I know, so we
have to make it. Anyway, yeah, like for a while I've been craving. I was like, I kind of want to try it because I've always seen like people try it. I'm like, it
so
looks good.
With
You
grilled
had it?
cheese. Yes,
Oh.
they used to give it to us at school.
But anyway, we're gonna go and do that right
With some
now.
grilled cheese, like you dip the grilled cheese in there.
Okay,
Just
I
this.
have all the stuff set up already. So let's go to the kitchen. Here we have the tomates, onion, garlic, balsamic vinegar, salt, whipping cream, vegetable broth, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese. And we had some other one, but we can't find it. Our first step is to cut todo. So let's go and do that right now. Now our next step is to put the garlic, onion, and tomate in this with some oil. We're gonna make hamburguesas. It's inspired by the Mexico ones. That is cutting, I mean. Papas. Here, fries. Okay, we need sal. 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna estimate. I'm not gonna get out the measuring spoons. This isn't even like actual balsamic vinegar. It's just like
Dressing.
Yeah. We're gonna mix everything. Make sure it's all coated. I hope it's good.
I hope so too. I hope it's not like too thin. Like I hope it's kind of creamy. Kind of like...
Oh yeah. Okay, I think that's good. We still have to wait for the oven though. We'll be back. Mami.
No sirve. No, no
I
sirve.
told you.
Quiere ir a... Pero ¿por qué se hizo así si no se ha usado?
La tapadera se le quitó.
Oh, pues por eso.
I told you
Quieren
something
ir
was
al
wrong
dólar
with
a traer...
Intermission, we're gonna go get some new vegetable broth because that one was rotten. So we are all finished eating dinner, and this was supposed to be a video of me and Ariel cooking, but I kind of did the whole thing because she was making me annoyed. So my mom made hamburguesas, french fries, and they kind of burnt. Well, they didn't burn, they just got stuck to the pan. So we just like put cheese on top and like bacon, and we ate them with ranch, and it was so good. And then I made tomato soup, and it was really good with bread. And then the hamburgers were also really good. Now me, my dad, and Ariel are gonna play Uno. So let's go to the kitchen. ¿Quién
My dad
bailó?
starts. Yo va aquí.
Yellow.
Wow. Funny. Hielo. 1, 2, 3, 4.
¿Es uno?
No.
Ahora me busca los chicles por
It's
adentro.
1. Vas.
Amarillo.
Si no sabías. Olivers.
Nací en el guero, pero no soy gánster, malandro, tampoco sicario. Que hablo. Dicen que no soy cristiano por tener cabello, mil cosas más y no por hacer al lado que nunca podré jugarle. En mi país muchos piensan que rapean mejor que yo, que tienen más talento, más estilo y más flow.
Todo va a estar bien. Go. Everything will be alright.
Uno.
Hey guys, it's actually the next day, so Sunday. I would just like to say that that was the longest Uno game I've ever played in my life. Ariel ended up winning, and I'm gonna put a screenshot of the timer. We had already started when I started timing it, so it took even longer than that. But anyway, right now I'm gonna be cooking, well, not really cooking, but preparing some ceviche. So I had to cut all the tomato, cebolla, jalapeno, the crab, the shrimp. But I'm cooking the shrimp right now, so let's go to the kitchen and see what's going on in there. The next few clips is just gonna be me like cutting stuff, so be prepared for some chopping ASMR. Let's go.
Llévense esto y a ver si ya se secó lo que está. Pon atención.
Debía llegar rápido.